In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently split the screen on TradingView, enabling you to view multiple charts at once. This is a fantastic feature if you're looking to compare different instruments or keep track of various markets simultaneously from a single screen. I'll also guide you on how to split your screen to accommodate other important panels like screeners or calendars. So let's dive right in and make your TradingView experience even more powerful and efficient. To begin with the process of displaying multiple charts, you'll first need to locate the layout icon on your TradingView interface. This can be found on the top toolbar, a convenient location that ensures quick access while you're navigating your charts. Once you've spotted the Select Layout icon, go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, offering you a variety of grid arrangements. These arrangements are specially designed to allow you to customize how many charts you want to display side by side. From this drop-down menu, you'll see some options that cater to your specific viewing preferences. For instance, if you're interested in viewing two charts for a side-by-side comparison, you'd opt for the two-chart layout. Similarly, if you'd like a more comprehensive grid showcasing 4 different charts, you should select the 4-chart option. Just click on the number of charts that aligns with your needs. Once you've selected your preferred layout, your screen will automatically adjust to display the selected number of chart windows. Now comes an essential part, adding symbols to each chart. This is where TradingView really shines in providing a seamless experience. Just click on each of these individual chart windows and enter the symbol of the instrument you're interested in. For example, if you're tracking Apple, you would enter the symbol AAPL. Repeat this process for each chart window, filling them with the respective instruments you wish to follow. Now, let's address how to split the screen to incorporate panels such as screeners or calendars. First, navigate to the specific panel you desire. Once open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the panel. You'll find a button marked Move Overlay to split view. By clicking on this button, you can seamlessly integrate the panel alongside your already split charts, thus enriching your analysis setup. With these steps, you're well equipped to make the most out of TradingView's multi-chart viewing capabilities. I hope this guide helps you in setting up your screen just the way you need it. Enjoy the increased insight and efficiency brought about by this feature, and happy trading!